I think it's finally here, y'all, that it's unboxing day. That we've been talking about Asian American trauma healing. And my vision was to create a tool that is a self-help, at-home, do-it-yourself kind of guide that people could have for themselves if you don't find a culturally responsive therapist, or best thing I've heard yet, someone said they bought a copy for their therapist. So here it is, hot off the press. Healing Trauma Workbook for Asian Americans. Thank you to Ali Matu for writing the foreword, and for all the amazing healers and people and my teachers and my students and definitely my clients and families I've been so privileged to work with. Y'all are in here. Y'all a big part of how this all happened. It'll be out July 1.